There are two crows which are common in the eastern U.S. If we're going to talk about crows, one of the first issues is to sort out which of the large black birds is not a crow. For example, the common raven, with its soaring flight and wedge-shaped tail. The American crow is our most widespread crow, with rich and raucous voice, a resourceful survivor of times when we were less accepting of birds we somehow came to consider harmful. There is another crow, common along the eastern seaboard, called the fish crow, generally associated with coastal zones and, more recently, with cities. The fish crow lacks the American crow's vocal range and expressiveness, sticking mostly with nasal monosyllables and gloomy expression. The diet is rich in urban refuse, and it keeps a special relationship with the wild ponies of Chincoteague Island, practices which may contribute to the fish crow's apparently negative worldview. There are subtle differences in size and shape between the crows, but the easy way to separate them is by voice. But we must note that during early summer, while the fledged young are still under subsidy, they add a confusing voice. Here's the begging call of American crow. Here is a fish crow, probably adult. The challenge is to separate the begging juvenile American crows from the fish crows of all ages, a double conundrum for the urban human.